Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the book. 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I
bitch come through, you and you. I'ma get the money, trend and get the loot. Pull up with that trick, I'm play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument, I blow you like a flute. Nigga place me feeling, pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a literate. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug and middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Silver Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine on so close to the guy and I can steal the stash sheet.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsie. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy had made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the Army, the Navy, it ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody saved me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Got no kids, tell them my clothes, no stops, please. Soon as I let you go, then got M's in the bank like yes, and me. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them come finish you. Know you being charged, you just like a crew. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the people. President's attention, I probably won't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like Coke on the engine. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, I'm just quick on the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm Coke on the pavement. I'm me and all hundreds, give me the go crazy. Man, get on the bed, brand new whip, got no.
Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing something that is so unique, so new, so like, it's just the new It Girl unit, and I think a lot of you guys are really gonna like this one, especially if you like blonde hair. But this is like a blonde unit with a really cool twist to it because it has gray highlights in it, and it has like some other little colors in there. The best part about this unit is that the roots are already dark. It matches perfectly with me, and I'm really loving that. And it's like a nice, like, I don't know, like a dirty blonde like type of root. However, I did put some concealer in my part today just to help it like stand out a little bit more. But this is what the unit came out like, you guys. I just added like a, you know, a little light bump at the ends, nothing too crazy. And I'm really feeling this. Like, I don't know if you guys can even tell like all the colors that are in the hair, because it's like a blonde, it's like a strawberry blonde. It has like some gray pieces up in there. It's like a really like huge gray chunk back here. And then like underneath here, you can definitely see more of the grays down here. Then the strawberry blonde, and then like the platinum blonde. It's just like such a cute unit. And then this is what it looks like, you know, with it all down without being like pulled behind my ear and everything. And it's just so bomb. Like, I just really like this unit, how it turned out. I just think it's very unique. It's something that you wouldn't expect to work, but it just works, and it just makes so much sense. And I don't know who came up with this like idea to do these colors together, but they really snapped. Like, they really snapped when they did that. This is a 13x4 lace front unit, so if you guys want to know the dimensions, it is a 13x4. And I really like this unit because it lined up perfectly for me, and I didn't have to cut off like a bunch of extra, like, you know, hair and stuff like around my ear. And as far as the density for this one, I would say the density is probably about 180% density. It could be thicker than that or thinner. I'm not exactly sure. I will always leave all of the information in the description box, so don't worry. As far as the length for this one, I want to say that this is possibly about like a 24 inch. I did like slightly bump the ends, but nothing too crazy. And then as far as the inside construction, this unit does come with a adjustable elastic band inside, which I really like because it fits me really well. Like, that's one thing that I will say that I like about this particular unit is the fit, because I have a smaller head, so a lot of units tend to fit a little bit larger on me, but this one fits like so perfect, so snug. I definitely feel like I can get away with doing like a glueless install if I wanted to. If you guys are interested in this unit and you want to try it out for yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details to this hair. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Nadula, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous new hot blonde unit. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.